So this Maserati MC20 Cielo coming for us for full respray, like we will paint full body. At this moment the car have vinyl protection, but protection it will be like that. It's vinyl, it's not protecting your car at all, just changing the color, and if you get some hits on the road and stone chips, it will damage your car like this. That's why we remove this vinyl. We'll spray paint, body paints, and make PPF protection on top. And after that, we will install the body kits for this car. It will be some limited body kits. We will show you later when we get it. But at this moment, what we will do, the first steps, we remove the vinyl, we remove all parts from the car, and start to preparing car for full painting.
But normal one, we don't do it. This car coming us for full painting. That's why we remove film like that.
Okay guys, hello. Some times ago I'm just telling you a little bit about this Maserati MC20 Cielo and about the works, what we should to do with this car. And let me remind you, we are the painting whole body paints, like whole body parts, to peelable custom color, which one we made from DEIZ Garage. And it will be second car and the full Middle East in our exclusive color. And the second things, we are made it carbon body kit for this car, and we will install them a little bit later. For need to spray the car first, of course. And one more thing, it's our new request from the customer. We will change the interior from this car from white Alcantara to white and purple leather color. And the design of the seats will be made from us. So stay on the tune. We will show you the whole the process, how it's look and how it will be. And now I will show you little things about the painting of this car, because some parts it's already done and they inside our paint booth, and I will show you. So here we are, we have all of these parts from Maserati MC20 Cielo. It's a peelable paint, and it's like not normal paint. Peelable paint, it's possible to remove after some times, if you want it, of course. And it will not damage original color from the car. So, and if you want to sell the car like OEM, you can remove it and they get original color safety. And let me explain you a little bit about the peelable paint, about the process, about the custom color, what we did for this car. Now the all parts look like matte, because we already applied more than 5 layers. It's peelable, it's primer, it's color, it's special glitters, it's again clear coat, and after clear coat we are sanding all surface to make them smooth and straight. Because when we are applying the glitters, special glitters to make the custom color, of course, they have like little bit sharpening, and the surface it's not straight. That's why our staff makes sanding of the parts to make the whole surface straight and smooth. And after that we are applying one more layer of clear coat, and try to understand. We have already more than 500 thickness, but when we apply one more clear coat, it will be 650 thickness on the car. But the normal PPF have only 210 thickness, something like that, 210, 200, near to this. And now you can understand that peelable paint have more protection and have more quality than normal PPF or normal color PPF. Like twice and more. And the quality of the changing of the color, it's almost 100%, because when we make peelable paint, as you can see, we are spraying all edges inside. That's why when you open your door from the car, when you open trunk, or you open the bonnet, and when you open anything, you didn't see the original color. So that's why the people, when they see the car about and spraying of the peelable paint, they have some questions. It's really paint? It's possible to remove? How you did it? So that's how we did it. But for this color, exactly for this color, it will be more than 7 layers, and it will take around 2 to 3 weeks. But in normal color, it's maximum 4 layers, like primer, color and clear coat. Maybe sometimes need 1 more layers of clear coat, but here more than 7 layers. Okay, stay on the tune, we will show you more later.